has really the applications for CMC Vellore closed already? Or can I still apply to CMC Vellore? Now, this is the question I'm going to address in this video. So stay with me if you are interested in getting a seat in CMC Vellore. Now, my name is Manikavel Arumugam. I'm a blogger and I am interested in medical admissions. So if you want to follow me, you can look at my handle JustGetMBBS at Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. And you can also contact me at the same Gmail, justgetmbbs@gmail.com. And if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you get regular notification whenever I post some important videos. Now, before going into answering the question, let me explain the type of seats available in CMC Vellore. That will explain to you whether the applications has already closed or not. Now, CMC Vellore has two major kinds of categories. One is called sponsored category. The second is called open category. Now, under the sponsored category, again, we have two kinds of categories. One is called minority network seats. The second is called institutional quota or staff of CMC Vellore quota. Under open category, we have three major categories. One is called general candidates. The second is SC and ST candidates. The third is called central pool quota. Now, what is minority network? Minority network is basically the candidates sponsored by churches, dioceses, or Christian organizations that come under the network of CMC Vellore. Now, what is institutional quota? Basically, these are the seats reserved for the children of staff of CMC Vellore. Now, let's look at the number of seats under each of these category. There are 74 seats reserved for minority network. 10 seats go to institutional quota. 12 seats basically are open to anyone. Anyone can apply, anyone across India. The only qualification is you should have cleared NEET. As long as you have cleared NEET and you have the qualifying examination, then you can apply for these 12 seats. Then there are 3 seats only for SC and ST candidates. If you are from Tamil Nadu, maybe some of you might come under the category called SCA. Again, you do not have a separate reservation. You need to come under the 3 seats. Now, there is something called central pool quota. Now, what is central pool quota? One seat reserved under central pool quota, and basically CMC Vellore surrenders this one seat to the union ministry, the central government, this one seat. Now, this one seat will be pooled along with a lot of other contributions from various colleges, from various states by the central government. And this pool of seats will be used for like victims of civil terrorism, Tibetan refugees, national bravery awardees, and then candidates from states and union territories where there are no medical colleges. And there are similar categories like defense personnel, paramilitary. There are certain categories under which people can qualify for central pool quota, but this allocation comes by central government, central union government. So this is not under Tamil Nadu government. Now the 99 seats, okay, except the one seat that comes under central pool quota, the 99 seats, the counseling is done by Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. So take note, even the sponsored category, the counseling is done by Tamil Nadu Selection Committee that comes under the Directorate of Medical Education. So the college cannot directly fill any seat. Now let's try to look at what are the applications that has already closed. Now basically the sponsored category applications have closed. So for sponsored category, you also have to apply to CMC Vellore, so that CMC Vellore will review the candidate's application and then they will shortlist, or basically they will qualify the candidates to see whether they are qualified to come under the sponsored category. So naturally, they will prepare a rank list for sponsored category and forward it to the selection committee. So that's why these applications normally they collect in advance. So these applications have already closed. So if you want to apply under any of these minority network or institutional quota, maybe this may not be possible now. So these seats you cannot apply anymore unless otherwise CMC Vellore open the applications again. So there is a small possibility that CMC Vellore might reopen the window for the applications because it's quite some time, and since the exam gets keep on postponed, there is a possibility that they might reopen the application at some other time later. It happened in 2016. It may happen now, I'm not sure, or it might not happen also, but there is a small possibility. So as I said, these seats you cannot apply anymore, but these 15 seats that come under the open category, you can apply. If you have not still applied to CMC Vellore, don't worry, you can still compete under the open category. What should I do next, right? In case if I want to apply to these 15 seats, should I apply now or when should I apply? So that's what we are going to see next. So let's see what should you do next. Basically, you do not need to do anything. Just go and focus on your NEET exam, right? Don't waste time on watching YouTube videos, right? Including this video, don't waste time. Focus on your NEET exam, and then later on you can come and watch these videos. You will have about 1 month after the NEET exam until the results come out. So if you are free, just go and browse all the YouTube videos, do all those necessary finding out. But if you are a parent watching this video, that's fine, excellent, no problem. That should be your first goal. Focus on the NEET exam. Try to get as high marks as possible because CMC Vellore is going to be extremely competitive. Then the second step, once you finish the NEET exam, wait for the NEET results because you cannot do anything without the NEET results. So wait for the NEET results. And then the step 3, once the NEET results are published, once you know exactly what is your rank, once you know exactly what is your NEET score, go and register online with Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. So you need to register. Now this is an online registration and the website is tnmedicalselection.org. So this is the website where you'll be registering. Now who can register? Anyone can register, okay? As long as you are a candidate who has cleared the NEET exam. It doesn't matter whether you are from Tamil Nadu, whether you are from Andhra, whether you are from Uttar Pradesh, whether you are from Jammu and Kashmir, it doesn't really matter. You can apply to this particular category. Now, what category should you register? You should register under management quota category. Okay, don't worry. All the 99 seats under CMC Vellore is offered under management quota category, but the fee structure is the same. The fee structure is around 50,000 per year. So don't worry that you are applying under management quota. The fees is extremely nominal, right? 50,000 rupees per year for a college that is ranked number 2 in India. Okay, it's a wonderful opportunity. So make sure that you register online with Tamil Nadu Selection Committee under the management quota category. Okay, Tamil Nadu will have 2 kinds of applications. One is called government quota application, which is mainly for government colleges, and government quota in private colleges. For those government quota application, outside candidates cannot apply. That means for those seats, only Tamil Nadu candidates, only those who hold Tamil Nadu domicile can apply. Whereas for the management quota, the second category of application, anybody can apply. Basically, it's open for all India candidates. Now, the second thing you need to take note is registration is mandatory for both sponsored candidates and open candidates. Don't come and tell me later that, sir, I have applied to CMC Vellore, so I thought it is not necessary to register with selection committee. Will I get a seat? No, you will not get a seat if you don't register with selection committee. So it is mandatory even if you are a sponsored candidate, even if you have already submitted an application to CMC Vellore, you have to submit the second application to Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. So for sponsored candidates, you need to submit 2 applications, one to CMC Vellore, one to Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. For open candidates, 1 application is sufficient. As long as you submit to Tamil Nadu Selection Committee, that is sufficient. But in case if you have already applied to CMC Vellore, don't worry. You also submit your application to Selection Committee. So it is mandatory. Take note, mandatory. Now, once you have submitted the application, once you have done the online registration, wait for the rank list by Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. So Tamil Nadu Selection Committee, after receiving the applications, they will release a rank list. Now there will be a separate rank list for sponsored candidates because they will be qualifying for those 74 plus 10 seats. So there will be a separate rank list. And once again, the rank list will be based on NEET score. Now this is a sample I have taken from the last year. So you can see here, these are the candidates who qualified under the minority network seats. And you can see here right on the last column, this is the category of candidates. Basically, this is the sponsoring agency for each candidate. For example, the first one, UG College Recommendation for Christians. That means this is directly sponsored by CMC Vellore. Marthoma Syrian Church of Malabar. So that's one organization that is sponsoring a candidate. Inter-Ashram Fellowship. Once again, UG Recommendation for Christians. Malankara Jacobite Syrian Orthodox Church, and so on, right? So you can see here, basically this is ranked by the NEET score. So in case if you want to find what is your probability of getting a seat, you need to go through the list and find out what is your rank. Okay, the rank is in the second column. Find out your rank and see how many candidates from your diocese has applied for this. Okay, for example, if we take number 40, Marthoma Syrian Church of Malabar. In case if you belong to this and if this is the sponsor, then you need to look at how many people have applied from this church, and within that church, what is your rank. So even though this rank is given, this is not so important. You should see within your sponsor, what is your rank. So that's going to determine what is your chances of getting the seat. Now there will be completely another rank list for all the applicants under management quota. So this will include not only applicants to CMC Vellore, it will also include applicants who are interested in a lot of other colleges in Tamil Nadu, basically the private colleges. So this is a sample of the rank list, mainly for the management quota in all private colleges. So you can see here, even though this is a management quota in private colleges, you can see the NEET marks are extremely higher. People with 685 marks, 680, they have all applied. Why? Because their goal is to get into CMC Vellore. That's why I said CMC Vellore is going to be extremely competitive. These guys are not applying to get a seat in some other private college. They are all interested in CMC Vellore. Now, once the rank list is released, subsequently, there will be a schedule for counseling, and counseling will be held by Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. Now, until last year, this counseling was offline. Tamil Nadu was always doing spot counseling. You need to come to Chennai to attend the counseling. But considering the current scenario, considering the COVID-19 situation, it seems most likely Tamil Nadu also might move to online counseling. There were some talks couple of years that they want to go to online, but they have slowly not moved to that. But I'm sure this year they will move to online counseling. But the drawback of online counseling, I believe the cutoff might even go higher for CMC Vellore, because last year, if somebody had to travel to Chennai and attend counseling, many of the candidates, if they have got a decent college, they might not travel and attend the counseling. But now, because it's an online counseling, sitting at the comfort of your home, you might be able to participate in the online counseling. So there is a likelihood, I have a feeling that the cutoff might even jump compared to last year. But anyway, this is just my feeling. So let's wait and see how Tamil Nadu goes about it. Now, this is the list of candidates selected for minority network. I just show you some samples from 2019. So you can see here, these are the two candidates that are shortlisted for Andhra Evangelical Lutheran Church. They had the score of 557 and 536. So you can see here, these are the two top candidates within that particular sponsorship. Depending on who came for counseling, these are the two candidates that got the seat. Similarly, every sponsor will have certain seats allocated, like Chaldean Syrian Search and say Christian Assemblies in India. So there are about 40, I think around 40 sponsors, 40 or 42 sponsors under CMC Vellore Minority Network and sponsored category seats. So each category will have one or two candidates sponsored, and you can see each of them getting a seat at a quite high level of marks. Now coming to general category. So this is the allotment for general category in the first round last year. So you can see it's quite high. The first candidate to take a seat is 685 marks. And the final candidate is 660 marks. So it's quite a high cutoff. That's what we are looking at, right? If you know this is going to be such a prestigious college, naturally you do expect such a high cutoff. Candidates even skip government colleges and come to this private college. Such is the reputation of CMC Vellore. And these are the three candidates that got the allotment under SC/ST candidates. And once again, their cutoff, you can see here, somewhere it started from 508 and finished at 452. Now, once you get selected, you will be given an allotment letter. This was based on offline counseling, spot counseling, where you'll be given a physical allotment order. Now, if they go for online counseling, probably they may ask you to download a allotment order. So with this allotment order, you need to go to CMC Vellore and produce the necessary documents, pay the fees required by CMC Vellore, which might come around 50,000 rupees plus minus, and then join the college. Now, I hope you do get into this wonderful medical college. I wish you all the best. In case if you have any queries, please do post it in the comments. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.